Ain't nobody waiting. Hey y'all, good morning. Good afternoon, rather. This quarantine sucks, don't it? One person is here. Who's here? Mm. Can you hear me? Yes, no? Okay, again, who's here? If you're here, say you're here. Say your name, rather. You guys are killing me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So I guess that's a yes, you can hear me, right? Just say yes, I can hear you, because yesterday I had problems with the thing. Okay, cool. All right. So what we're going to do, I don't know who all is going to log on today. We only had about maybe 30 people that logged on yesterday out of 100. So what we're doing is we're talking about the assignment. Did you guys read the video or watch the video? What is this? Yeah, sanitizers and face masks. You're also corny. But listen, so you watched the video. Anyone have any questions about the video? For real. For real, soap dab. Yep, every day, every hour, every 2 hours. You guys staying inside and behaving? When I mean inside, I mean not outside on the street. Staying inside in the backyard, doing what you're supposed to be doing. No one's answering me. Yes, Catherine says yes. Okay, so are there any questions about the video? Because the assignment that's coming, me neither. Just to go to the supermarket. And there's a line outside the supermarket, which is crazy. A line outside the supermarket, a line outside the Home Depot, a line outside everywhere. And if you don't have your mask, you can't come in. Me too, Catherine. I just sleep and watch TV. Yeah, outside is a fun thing. And the bad thing about it is I don't go outside when it rains, because they're saying something foolish about it being cold, and I just go outside when it's sunny. That's it. Don't go outside in the rain. It's kind of crappy right now. Is it raining in Plainfield right now? Yeah, yeah. It's kind of raining and the wind is blowing hard over here. All right, look it. So you guys all read the video, watch the video. That's going to be a part of what our do now is going to be for Thursday. Well, actually, I might post it tomorrow for everybody, for all classes. It's going to be an extra assignment that I'm going to post tomorrow for all classes. But the assignment that I posted for you today, is going to be for due tomorrow at 12 o'clock, which are the definitions. Now, the only other thing, somebody said that they couldn't find one of the definitions on Instapedia or Investor investordictionary.com. Just Google it. Just put it in. Just put it in your search engine. And then put it in your search engine. And put it in your search engine. See, you guys brought the storm over here because it wasn't thundering before. So now it's here. Search in your search engine for that one word. Hey, Yasin, Samantha. Who's here, first of all? We got Yasin, Samantha, Karen, Catherine, Evan, Carla, Juan, Josue. Who is Young Male TV? Who is that? Young Molly. Who is it? What a name. Who is that? I thought I saw Danny Salima here too. Yeah, Danny Salima, Gerson. All right, so the definitions that you have is only 12 definitions. You're going to define those words, and then we're going to have an actual other assignment that's on Thursday. Well, actually, today is Tuesday. Yeah, the assignment for Thursday is going to be due on Friday, along with the due now, and then the grades go in. If you guys already don't know, the grades for the marking period go in tomorrow. So I'll be going through all the Google Classrooms tonight to check. If you haven't submitted them already, they won't be counted, okay? Because you guys had enough chances to hand in all the work that you owe. And if they're not in already, because I entered a bunch of grades before we went on spring break. So now I'm going to do a rerun through every Google Classroom class to see if there's any work that anyone has missed. If there's work that you've missed, I don't know. But if everyone handed in their work, did we have to do the extra credit? Teresa, you did not have to. You did not have to do the extra credit. The extra credit was for everyone that had a grade below a C, and your grade is not below a C. You didn't have to do the extra credit. I don't believe Evan did. And a few other people didn't have to do it. Your class has a lot of this. Your class, B3, has a lot of A's and B's in it. A few C's. So I think A3 and B3 classes, they have few C's and under in their class. So you don't have to do it. Hey, Jocelyn. So yeah, you didn't have to do the extra credit. Everybody's grade, if you handed in everything that you were supposed to hand in, everybody's grade, the way it looks right now is the way it's going to look. Okay, so if you have an A or a B right now, that's how it's going to be. Okay. What else? I'm going to go through to see who did the extra credit, who did what they were supposed to do. And even though we're still on quarantine, I would love for you guys to follow the directions. Like if I say show the work, you guys are home right now. It's not like, yeah, you're home right now, so you have a little bit more time than you would if you were in a class. So if I give you something to do and I say show the work, which probably won't be a lot more because we're not doing a lot of math. The next topic after stocks is going to be compound interest. That's going to be a lot of work. So if I say show the work, you need to show the work in order to get well, don't show the work, Shamad, because you, of all people, since I'm on live and I'm going to talk to you like I'm in school, you're hard-headed. And the reason why you don't show the work is because you feel like you don't have to, because you feel like you don't have to. But what I'm saying to you now is if you do not show the work, you will lose an automatic amount of points. I'm not going to tell you how many points, but if you don't show the work, you will lose an automatic amount of points. See, you ask these type of questions to get me going, so to speak. And I'm going to let you sit there and ask these questions, and I'm not going to answer you anymore. One, If I try my best to send you things that you can fill in. If you cannot fill it in, type it in. If you cannot type it in, do it on Doc Hub, right? Any of those three things. But do not, for the love of all that's holy, do not use that little marker thing because it makes it look elementary. You guys are in the 8th grade now. Come on, get with it. Make it neat and make it right. I'll take points off for that too. Okay? The only thing I won't take points off for is if it's done right. So if you, even if you have a paper and you do it on a paper and you take a picture of it, well, that was last marking period anyway. That was counted because you did it and it was neat. Now I'm going to do everything on Google Sheets and Word Docs. Google Docs. So you're going to be able to open up the file and type in it. So there's no excuses for you not to do it. The next assignment that I'm sending out Thursday is a fillable form. And when I say fillable form, the lines on the bottom are highlighted. So when you open up your form, you're able to write in the form. And if there's a problem with you not being able to write in the form, you need to let me know immediately. Okay? You need to let me know. You're supposed to be able to open it up and write in the form without a problem. Open the PDF up and write in the form. Any questions besides Samad? Malachi, which one? Malachi Cofield, Malachi Navito? Okay, he has a black emoji, so I guess that's Cofield. You guys speak up. We're not going to be here all day. All right. So in your book, you guys don't have your book, but this is what your form is going to look like. I wish I could do it the other way so that you can see it, but this in your form, this is what it's going to look like. Okay? It's going to be attached to a file, and there's also going to be it's bad quality, but you can still see me, right? Don't start trouble. In your I lost my train of thought. I feel like I'm in a classroom again. On Friday, your due now will be due on Friday with all of the rest of the work. Please make sure that you hand in your vocabulary and the work for Thursday on Friday, because today is a B day. This is Tuesday, Thursday. So next week, B day is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm not giving anything new for Friday. Everything that you have has to be submitted on the day that is due. And if it's not, then I'm going to take off points for it. So tomorrow you have an assignment that's due, which is the vocabulary is due by 12 o'clock tomorrow. And then the Thursday assignment is due on 12 o'clock on Friday. Why? Because they still have to get graded. So if you keep that schedule, your grades will be in on time. If you don't keep the schedule and you don't hand it in when you're supposed to, then your grades won't show when you expect them to show. Does that make sense? Yes, no? Okay, see, I'm not going to get any feedback. Okay, so after this, how to read a stock quote, you guys are going to do compound interest. And then after compound interest, we're going to do a few more assignments in savings and investing. And then after that, we're going to move on to something else. Today is 4/21. I'll be sending everyone a schedule of what we're going to be doing and how we're going to be doing it, broken down into the number of weeks that we have left. So I'm not quite sure when school is going to start again, but I will be giving you a schedule every week. So Yeah, you're never paying attention, Carla. I'll be giving you a schedule every week on what we're doing. On Sunday night, you'll get a schedule on what we're doing, and then you'll know where we're at. You guys in these emojis, like what's up with you? You guys corny with these emojis. Malachi, if you did not post your attendance today, when we log out of here in about 2 minutes, you need to post your attendance. You're the only one that's in my homeroom that's in B-Day. Please do it and do it now. I marked you absent yesterday because you did not post attendance. All right, you guys. So sometime next week, I think probably on Wednesday or Friday, probably Friday, you guys will have a quiz on Friday. It will be assigned to you in Google Classroom. It will be a savings and investing quiz, and it's only going to be multiple choice, but we have to get through this first. So I'll see where we are, if when we are in fact going to have a quiz Friday or the next week after. All right. You guys have no questions and you're just posting emojis because you're being kids right now. We've been on for 16 minutes and we're going to log off now. Before I log off, are there any questions about what we have to do for the assignment for today? All right, you guys, be safe. And I'll be back on. I won't be back on live on Wednesday. I will actually be back on Wednesday. I'll actually be back on Wednesday with a recorded video. And that recorded video will show you everything you need to do. But if you watch the video, you should be able to navigate through the assignment. Okay, so moving forward, I'll be on for I'll be online answering your questions on Google Classroom for an hour every day between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. All right, I'll be also posting that between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. My pen doesn't work. Wait. Okay, so that's the deal. Whatever. Anyway, I will speak to you guys later. Be safe.